Hello children, today we are going to solve the exercises from Unit 12, articles a and the from your grammar book called New Mastering Grammar. Are you ready to learn and have fun with a and the? Let's go started. Children, let's start with exercise A. Fill in the blanks using article a or an. Look at the first sentence. First sentence is I have dash uncle who is dash artist. My dear children, look at the sentence carefully. Both uncle and artist are starting with vowel sound. Uncle with a and artist with a. That's why an uncle and an artist. Always remember, whenever a word starts with a vowel sound like a, e, u, e, etc., we always use article an instead of article a. Let's move to the next sentence. Dash lion and dash mouse were good friends. Both lion and mouse are starting with consonant sounds. Consonant sounds like l, lion, and m, mouse. So we will use article a lion, and a mouse. Next, the bee is dash hardworking insect. Here we are talking about bee for the first time. पहली बार bee की बात कर रहे हैं. And the after blank, the word is hardworking, which is starting from sound h, and it is a consonant sound. That's why I'll use article a. Next, Jia left her house dash hour ago. My dear children, our word is starting with vowel sound R. So I have used article an. Next, dash one-eyed beggar scared the children. My dear children, no doubt one is starting with a vowel, but हमने sound सुननी है, हमने spellings नहीं देखने. तो sound कहाँ से start हो रही है? One, वो से. So we will use article a. यहाँ an नहीं लगेगा. Confusion है, but आपने साउंड सुनना है, स्पेलिंग्स नहीं देखना. I have been working in this place for a dash year and dash half. Here, my dear children, year and half both are starting with consonant sounds. Year is starting with year sound and half is starting with her sound. So we'll use a article in both the blanks. The king had dash army of 5,000 brave warriors. Now army word is starting with the vowel sound a. That's why an army. The computer is dash useful machine. Again, it is starting with the vowel. But the sound is u. Useful. So don't add an. Always add a. Because again, साउंड सुननी है, हमने स्पेलिंग्स चेक नहीं करने. This is the rule. That's all for exercise A. I hope it's clear. Dear kids, now it's time to move to exercise B. Put a or an before the following names. First, dash interesting story. Interesting word is starting with I sound. So we'll add an. Next, a dash pair of shoes. Pair. So P. It's starting from sound P. I have added article a. Next, dash easy question. Easy with the vowel sound E. That's why I have added article an. Next, dash Indian dress. My dear children, Indian word is starting with the sound I. So, I is a vowel sound. That's why I have added article an. Clock starting with the sound K. Consonant sound. O. Purse. purse is starting with the consonant sound P. That's why a purse. Next, dash box, box, starting with the sound B. So it's a consonant sound. Add article A. Very good. Dash aunt. Now aunt. Ah, starting with A sound. So it's a vowel sound. We'll use an. Dash book, starting with the B sound, and B is a consonant sound. That's why we'll add article A. Boring story, again starting with the B consonant sound. That's why we'll add article A. My dear kids, with this exercise B is finished. I hope it's clear to you. Let's do exercise C. Fill in the blanks with article a, an or the. Look at the first sentence. Dash short stories written by Tagore are very interesting. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ short stories specify की गई हैं. कौन सी? किसी के द्वारा लिखी नहीं, सिर्फ टैगोर जी के लिखी हुई. तो हमने उनको particular कर दिया है. That's why we'll use article the. We will not use article a because they are specific stories written by Tagore ji. Let's go to the next sentence. I wrote dash story. Story यहाँ पर first time word mention कर रहे हैं और ये start हो रहा है consonant sound s से. So I'll add article a here. Next, dash ostrich is in the cage. Ostrich word is starting with the vowel sound o. And it is not specific. ये कोई खास ऑस्ट्रिच नहीं है. हमें नहीं पता कौन सा ऑस्ट्रिच केज में है. So इसलिए हम यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे आर्टिकल an. Dash bus parked outside our school has a punctured tire. My dear children, हमने बस को स्पेसिफाई कर दिया है. वो वाली बस का टायर पंचर है जो हमारे स्कूल के बाहर है. पर्टिकुलर बस. So that's why article the. I found dash 1 rupee coin in the park. 1 rupee starting with a vowel, but the sound is starting with the consonant. 1 w sound, consonant sound. So we will add a article. हमेशा याद रखो, आपने sound को सुनना है, आपने spellings नहीं देखने. That's all for exercise C. Let's move to the last exercise of Unit 12, that's exercise D. Choose appropriate articles to fill in the blanks. Dash farmer bought dash donkey from the village fair. Farmer, one farmer, कोई specific नहीं है. So a farmer, उसने एक donkey खरीदा, वो भी specific नहीं है. So a donkey. He found dash donkey to be dash useful animal. अब हमने पहले ही donkey की बात कर ली है, हम दोबारा कर रहे हैं. When we talk again, we use article the. So here we will add article the. Dash useful. No doubt useful word U से start हो रहा है, which is a vowel. But हमने क्या करना है? हमने sound सुनना है. Sound कौन सी start हो रही है? U. U is a consonant sound. So we will add article a here. Very nice. Next, dash ant and dash bee were good friends. Do we know about which ant and which bee we are talking about? No. Any ant and any bee could be there. So I'll use an ant and a bee. They are not specific. So an ant, a bee. Dash ant stored sugar. कौन सी ant? जिसकी बात हमने previous sentence में कर ली है. So the ant. दोबारा जब बात करते हैं तो article the लगता है. Similarly, the bee stored honey. bee की बात भी हम दोबारा कर रहे हैं. So हमने फिर से the article लगाया. I bought dash orange. एक orange खरीदा मैंने. कोई सा भी हो सकता है. मार्केट से ले सकती हूँ मैं. So an orange. But अब मैं orange की बात दोबारा कर रही हूँ. Dash orange was tasty. वो वाला ऑरेंज जो मैंने मार्केट से खरीदा है उसको मैंने स्पेसिफिक कर दिया. दैट्स व्हाई आई विल यूज आर्टिकल द. रीटा वो डैश पिंक ड्रेस. रीटा ने एक पिंक ड्रेस पहनी. वन आर्टिकल. वेरी नाइस. डैश ड्रेस वॉज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. कौन सी ड्रेस ब्यूटिफुल है? जो रीटा ने पहनी हुई है, जिसके बारे में हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं. हमने उसको स्पेसिफाई कर दिया. सो वी विल राइट आर्टिकल the here. My dear kids, that's all about unit 12 of your new mastering grammar. I hope the concept is clear. If still you have any doubt, you can re-watch the video. Bye bye. Take care.